Okay guys, so I'm going to show you on how to create the drop caps, right, for a creative drop caps in the in your page layout, right? So first of all, as you can see here, right, I already have the content right here, right, about Ariana Grande. So you want to do something like this, isn't it? So what you need to do first is like you need to create the shape, right? Like for example, we want to create an A shape, right? Okay, so how to create the shape? You need to open the Adobe Illustrator to draw, right? Okay, of course you need to open Adobe Illustrator first to draw the shape, right? Okay, so how to draw, right? You can actually use pen tool. So as for me, I prefer to use the letter first as the guideline. So I need to write lah, for example A, right? Okay, so this is the letter, means that I want to follow this A shape, right? Okay, so first of all, and then I need to like choose pen. You can see the pen tool here. You just click here, right, and then you start to draw the shape, right? Okay, now you draw. Okay, I don't want this fill color, so I just click this one. So easy for me to draw, right, the shape. Okay, then go to selection tool. Now I do have the shape already, so I want to insert the what we call it as the text, all the text inside this shape. So after you've done this shape, then you Control C to copy, right? Okay, just click Control C or Command C if you use Mac, and then go back to this Adobe InDesign, right, and then you press Control V to paste. Oh, sorry, this one maybe we need to create a stroke, right, this one, right? Okay, Control C, and then you go here, Control V. Now you can see the shape here, right? Okay, so now I do have the shape already, right? Okay, so what's next? Okay, you just copy the text here, right, and then put it inside this text. Yeah, now you can see like the what we call it as the all the text is already here. Of course, we want to create A in the big size as a drop caps, right? So you can delete A, right? Just leave it as Rihanna. A, we do it later. Okay, now what's next is like you can see like there's a dash, and then like that's not following the shape, right? Okay, you just highlight this text, right? Okay, you know, right, to remove the dash you can just click hyphenate here. You can see at the paragraph panel, right? Okay, just untick, and then there's no more dash, and then you can select the justify with last line align left. Okay, so now it's following the shape. Okay, so now we already have the words, right? Okay, for example, right, okay, we don't want this stroke, right? Okay, you click this shape, right, and then go to here. You can see stroke here, right, and then you click none. Okay, then there's no line lah outside the text, right? Okay, so next, to create the drop caps, right, so of course we need to create A, right? Okay, so just go to type tool and then start to type lah, right, A, right? So I want to make it bigger, right? For example, I don't want to choose this one, for example 100. Okay, and then I don't want to choose that. I want to use, for example, lemon milk, right? And then for example this one is not big enough, so I want to make it big. So you can just change the size here, maybe 200. Okay, so for example I just want to, okay, I want this size, right? Okay, what's next is you go to type, right, and then create outlines, right? You know, right, create outlines to lock the text, right? For this one, the purpose to create outline is like to convert the text to vector, right? Okay, vector shape, right? So now we already create outline, right? And then what you need, you can do is you can see this one, text wrap, right? Okay, you go to wrap around object shape, yeah. And then you start to, you can adjust the space there, right? Okay, see, so you can make it bigger, right, if you want to. Alright, so like for example, right, there's something like this happen, right? Okay, like this, right? Okay, got like text here, right? Okay, so how to remove this text? Okay, you just go to this one, ellipse tool, right? Okay, you create the round here, the box here, right? Okay, and then the stroke make it visible, invisible. Okay, click none. Okay, and then next, what you need to do is you click this one, wrap around bounding box. Okay, right? Okay, so now you can see, right, the, what we call it as, the text here already it's already there in the right place here, right? Okay, before this is like this, right? Okay, so after you create this one, okay, how to remove it, like how to not remove lah, to arrange it, go to ellipse tool and then select the area that you want to remove, right? And then click wrap around text object. So it's just like that. So you can see the box right here, I mean the outline, right? So you can just like go to stroke, right, and then choose none lah. Okay, so it's invisible, right? Okay, so like for example, you want to change the color, right? Okay, you just click A, then here you can click fill. You can always change the color. You can just click here and then choose what color you want, right? Okay, so that how to change color. For example, you don't want to change color but you want to insert image inside this A, right? Of course you can just right click. Okay, you go to fitting and then choose graphic, right? So once you choose graphic, you can place the image inside and then go to place, file, place. Okay, and then like for example, I choose the image of Ariana, like I choose this one for example, right? Okay, and then open. Okay, so here you know, right, we already insert this one, and then go to object, fitting, and fill frame proportionately. So now you can see lah, you can always like adjust, right, the Ariana face if you want to. So that's how to create a creative drop caps. Okay, so I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain, and you can follow my tutorial. And if you have any question, you can ask me, and you can drop a comment. Okay, thank you.